Welcome back guys to another Jeep video. In today's video I want to take that truck to the shop and get the frame done. In meantime we're waiting for the tow truck to come and pick up the Jeep. So before he comes I gotta throw all the parts in the Jeep, and when the tow truck comes I'll just drive in and leave. So before I do that I want to show you guys everything I got. So far this is everything for now. They'll do the job to make the truck running. I am missing the fender. It's coming late. It's gonna be here in a couple days. I got the crazy hood. I'm not sure how that's gonna look on the truck. I hope it's gonna look good because that thing is expensive. The grill, it's cheap, so if I'm not gonna like it how it's gonna look, I might change it to the original grill. But I do like the angry grill. That's the rest of the little parts. Antenna. This is for the air intake, all the little brackets and stuff. The radiator support, it's in this box. Steering wheel airbag. Radiator, it's in that box. So that's almost everything that I need for now. I still didn't get the headlights. Right guys, finally got everything in. The tow truck just called me. He's gonna be here in about 5 minutes, so just on time. But I still want to go through the old parts that I have over here. I'll go ahead and grab some of the parts, not everything, but because I will need the rest of the radiator, probably the plastics on the bottom. I don't know if you're gonna need them or not. Definitely the corners over here to adjust all the gaps and everything. I'll take the rock sliders with me. The old fender, this one actually is the good fender. And just to be safe, I'll make sure I have everything so I don't have to go there and bring him more stuff. Alright guys, the tow truck just arrived. We're gonna throw the Jeep on the trailer and take it to a shop to get the frame done. the frame is done. We're gonna take this bad boy home and start putting it together. Right guys, the car got home yesterday, so now we got work to do. First of all, I'm gonna start painting. I'll spray some primer first and then a black paint on the frame everywhere he welded or grinded. But yeah, the frame actually turned out to be really good. Now the wheels, everything is straight, all the gaps are good, and he actually didn't complain or anything, so he made it look like it was a piece of cake for him. But yeah, everything got done really fast and perfect. So there's not much to spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the primer a little bit, let it dry, and then go with the paint on top. So by the time the primer is gonna get dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fender out and the hood and take it to a shop to get it paint. Right, so the fender is out, the hood is out, now I gotta go spray some paint. Painting is done, it looks good. Now moving up a little bit, I gotta work on this air system cooling. Well, I gotta change the whole piece from here to here because of the sensor got damaged and this broke from the bottom. And I got a new one and it's really easy to change. Right guys, so I'm not gonna put any more parts on the truck. I need to pull out more parts. Like I gotta take the doors out, I gotta take the roof out, the other fender, and I'm not gonna put nothing yet because I ordered a vinyl wrap and I'm waiting for the vinyl wrap. I'm gonna be changing the whole complete color on this truck, and it's just doesn't make sense if I'm gonna put everything right now and then the vinyl comes, I gotta pull it out, everything, and just double of the work. But yeah, for now this is it. The vinyl comes in and then I'll complete the whole truck. With the radiator and all that stuff, I'm still not gonna put it because I'll show you why. I was gonna put the radiator, but I got the lift kit on this truck and I'm thinking to wait on all the parts, because the less parts over here, the more room for me to work on that lift kit. The arm control is gonna be so much easier to get it from here, both of them. And same thing with less parts over here, more room for me. And I'll lift the truck first and then I'll throw everything in. So all this is gonna lift the truck 3.5 inches. A lot of boxes for 3.5 inches. I didn't want to go more than that because I still want to drive this truck as a daily drive, and I didn't want to do nothing too crazy. I went with the Rubicon Express lift kit and Fox shocks. And there's the wheels. I went with the Toyo tires, the size 37 by 13.5. The wheels are 18s. They have pretty good offset, -18, and they're 9.5 inch wide, the wheels. They look skinny right now because there's no air. I'm still waiting to pull the sensors out of the original wheels, put them in, and then they're going on the truck and we're going off-roading. 3-inch lift kit, 27s. I think that's gonna be a big difference for that little truck. Right guys, this is a wrap for today's video, and stay tuned for the next video coming soon. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. Either we're gonna lift the truck and put the wheels on, or vinyl wrapping. Most likely we're gonna go with the vinyl wrap next, because the truck is low right now, so easily it's gonna fit in the garage. If we're gonna lift, then we're gonna have to do the vinyl outside, and it's not gonna look as good because of the dust and everything. After the vinyl it's on, it's gonna show every little thing. So probably we're gonna do the vinyl wrap first and then throw the wheels, lift kit, and who knows what. But definitely stay tuned for the next video. Please share our video, subscribe to our channel, like, and find us on Instagram. It's Custom Auto Build, and I'll catch you guys later.